Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to fix Ring camera error code P1-99. Seeing a P1-99 error on your Ring camera, don't panic because this error is usually caused by a connection or power issue rather than a faulty device. Start by opening the Ring app and checking whether the camera is showing as offline. If it is, tap the device and follow the troubleshooting steps provided. Next, go to the camera's device health section and try reconnecting it to Wi-Fi or switching to a stronger network if the signal is weak. You can also restart your router by unplugging it for about 30 seconds before plugging it back in. If you're using a battery-powered Ring camera, make sure the battery is fully charged and properly installed. For wired models, verify that the camera is receiving power from the other connect source. Finally, you can reboot a camera from the device help menu and wait a few minutes for it to come back online. In most cases, restoring a stable connection or fixing a power issue is enough to clear the P199 error. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.